Welcome to the Trade of the Week, brought to you by Blue Edge Financial.
Hey there, this is Adam Winnig here with the top trade of the week. You know how it goes with this show. This is episode number 2, where each week we're going to be breaking down the top trades of the week using the Bank Secret Indicator, and we're going to break it down, show you guys how to use this amazing tool, as well as show you some of the best opportunities that come out throughout each week, so that way you can catch them the following week. And by the way, if you have amazing trade setups that happen throughout the week, then go ahead and email them just a screenshot of it to support@blueedgefinancial.com, and we'd love to feature you on the show. And each week, if you have the winning trade setup that happens to you using the Bank Secret Indicator, then we want to give you $100, okay? So just submit it to support@blueedgefinancial.com for your chance to win $100 and be featured on the show. So let's get into it. Number 3, coming in at NZD CAD, looking at this on the hourly chart, we have a beautiful setup that's happened here. As you can see, there was this nice blue zone that was happened here. You can see on all of these time frames, it looks like it's in an uptrend, so we want to be trading with the trend. As you can see, the retail herd is trying to sell the market, trying to catch the top of this. As we know, we don't like to do that. That's dumb, right? So we're catching this here. There was an alert notified for a bullish engulfing candle. You can see it printed beautifully right on the zone, showing a lot of bullish momentum. And you can just take a look at this. You would have gone ahead and maybe put your stop loss right below here and gotten in right here. So your stop loss would have been down here, maybe 21, 22 pips down here. And you can see it just rode up beautifully right to this next zone, which was like 130 pips. So again, you risked about 20, 25 to get 120. That's like a 1-to-6, just absolutely beautiful setup here by the Bank Secret Indicator. And by the way, if you're not familiar with the Bank Secret Indicator, you can now get these alerts straight to your phone anytime an alert setup happens. So you can say, hey, I want it to be on a zone, I want it to be with the trend, I want it to be contra crowd, and I want it to be a bullish engulfing candle. You can just put it on right here and it'll notify you straight to your phone. That was number 3. Coming in at number 2, GBP CHF here. What are we looking at? We're looking at a massive looks like a bearish engulfing candle. You can see this huge candle that was printed right on this sell zone right here. As you can tell, you would have put your stop loss likely right above here, maybe about 50, 60 pips. It looks like about 60 pips. You would have entered right here, and you would have incurred, maybe 30 pips of drawdown, and it came beautifully down right here to this zone for about, it looks like another 130 pips. So absolutely beautiful. This big bearish engulfing candle played out gorgeously. Okay, and then coming in at number 1 is Euro NZD. This was just an absolute beautiful trade that happened. Let me break this down for you guys right here. As you can see right here on this zone, there was this kangaroo tail printed right here. Okay, what is a kangaroo tail? It's got this long wick trying to push price down lower. It couldn't go, so it closed up right around here, right? And what happens, okay? You would have entered the kangaroo tail like right here. Your stop loss would have been below the kangaroo tail, so maybe about 35 pips or so. All you would have incurred is maybe like 10, 11 pips of drawdown, and look at how gorgeous this was. It just played out beautifully. Maybe you would have got out when you got this signal here at 174 pips, or if you rode it out all the way until the next zone, which it went up and touched the next zone beautifully, 256 pips it looks like, risking about 30 pips in order to make 260. I don't know. You do the math on that. That is just a beautiful textbook setup with the kangaroo tail right here. This is a really popular alert. And we also, with the newest version of the Bank Secret Indicator, we have it set up where it can actually identify kangaroo tails for you. So let me show you how that works really simply. You just go in here and you can see there's a setting for kangaroo tails. And anytime a kangaroo tail prints on a zone, you can actually just get a notification, right? Whereas right here, you can see the kangaroo tails are on here. So it's just gorgeous. Again, these are the top 3 trades of the week. If you are not using the Bank Secret Indicator, then we want to offer you a 7-day free trial where you can try it out free for 7 days and only pay for it if you feel like it's 100% more than worth it. If you want to check it out, then go ahead, click the link. I'll put a link down here at the bottom. Go ahead, click that right now, and you'll be able to sign up for the 7-day free trial for the Bank Secret Indicator. Again, hopefully you enjoyed this show. Hopefully this is teaching you how to use the Bank Secret Indicator even more powerfully and improve your trading. And by the way, if you have an awesome trade setup that happens throughout the week, then please just email it to support@blueedgefinancial.com, and we'd love to feature you and give you $100.